Hi guys, Christy here with the catch of the day, sort of. Here at my house, the bathroom is right off the kitchen, and while I try to spend as little time in there as possible, there are some in my family that spend some serious quality time in there. I like to surprise the ones I love with fun surprises to let them know I care, especially affordable surprises. I found a complete 6-piece fishing set that's the fun family fishing game for your other office. It comes with this fishing pole, 4 fish, this ocean playmat, and a door hanger. It sets up in minutes. Once you're comfortable, simply give yourself enough line and go for it. This makes a perfect gift for the fishermen or want to be fishermen in your life. So take the bait and surprise someone you love with fun.